special good morning to each and everyone. Sorry for the delay because I came from Puducherry to Chennai, and from Chennai I took the flight to and landed just now, just few minutes back at Hyderabad. So I was rushing, particularly accepted this program because this subject is very nearer to my heart. So in spite of my busy schedule, I'm having a hectic schedule today. But in spite of that, when I learned about this program, and very affectionately you invited me, and as that's a subject which is very nearer to my heart, so I accepted. So my apologies. Dr. Nandika Palekar, President-elect, Indian Society of Assisted Reproduction. Dr. Harikesh Pai, President-elect, Federation of Obstetrics and Gynecological Society of India. Dr. Jaideep Tang, obstetrician and gynecologist, IVF consultant, Ashwini Maternity and Surgical Hospital Center for Endoscopy and IVF. Mr. Sanjeev Navangal, MD, CEO, Bharat Serums and Vaccines Limited. Mr. Kamal Narayan, CEO, Integrated Health and Wellbeing Council. Distinguished guests and speakers, participants and media friends. I wish you all a very good morning. I am really delighted to be a part of this event. To be among the doctors fraternity, I like homecoming for me. It is like homecoming for me. I am really happy to see many renowned medical experts joining the summit. I appreciate the efforts of Integrated Health and Wellbeing Council in organizing the summit. The theme of the summit, addressing India's infertility epidemic, is very relevant and contemporary issue. The objective of the summit is to discuss and bring out the necessary social changes about the issue of infertility is appreciable. It is concerning to know that around 15% of couples in our country are finding it difficult to raise a family due to infertility. With the prevalence of superstitions, family members and friends of such couples suggest different options. Most of the time, they are unscientific and in some cases harmful to the health of the couples. It is high time that awareness about the fertility clinics and the fertility experts is created to offer science-based solutions. There is a tremendous advancement in the area of assisted reproductive technologies. I'm happy that large number of couples are seeking professional help from the fertility clinics. The success rate in such cases is fairly good. I strongly feel that the real challenge is to make these services affordable and accessible to all sections of the people. In many countries, including India, unfortunately, society tends to stigmatize the childless couples. This is not at all acceptable. Instead, we must offer them scientific and affordable solutions to get children. Studies indicate that fertility rate in India are declining, and it is about to reach the replacement rate of 2.1. Presently, India is endowed with the highest percentage of youth population in the world. It is high time that we utilize this demographic advantage of having greater number of youth for the country's progress and prosperity. As a women and gynecologist, health and well-being of women and children has always been an important consideration in all my decisions. Health and women empowerment are two of my passionate subjects as a doctor and as a governor. I believe that a wider reach of fertility treatment by popularizing it and making it affordable is a key intervention for empowering women. The awareness, accessibility, and affordability help freeing them from the pressures of biological clock and help them live their dreams and raise a family without choosing one over the other. Women empowerment has been an important part in all our decisions under the guidance of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji. We must continue to work in that direction to ensure the women empowerment and advancement. I call upon doctor fraternity, medical, pharma, and social sectors to come together and to make dedicated efforts to democratize fertility treatment. We must strive to dismantle the cost and access barriers, help different economic and social sections to get the benefit. I am sure that the way you have all risen to the occasion during the pandemic makes me confident that we will see sustained progress in this direction in the days to come. I hope that the unique joy of having a child is closer to different sections of the people across the country. Let us all resolve to make assisted fertility safe, scientific, affordable, and successful. It is high time that we promote healthy lifestyle and healthy food and have consciousness among the younger generation to overcome the infertility to some extent. I congratulate and appreciate the Indian Health and Wellbeing Council for taking this initiative, organizing the country level summit. I convey my best wishes to all the participants. Jai Hind, Jai Telangana, Jai Puducherry.